Hello world, this is Siraj. Welcome to this channel. I am super excited to unbox DJI wireless microphone 2 channels in this video. If you are struggling with a wired mic like this video is for you. DJI mic is a compact, lightweight and powerful wireless microphone system that delivers exceptional sound quality at distance of up to 250 meters. The transmitter provides clear and professional level recording of vocals, ambient sound and musical instruments. With a built-in storage, DJI mic can be used to capture primary or backup audio during a recording. So, let's get started. Here we have the pack, DJI mic, wireless microphone. The back side they have given the main features: 250-meter transmitter range, dual channel recording, up to 14 hours of onboard memory, that is maximum, 15 hours of battery life, that is extraordinary, wide compatibility you can use with your smartphone and camera and other devices, portable and compact, you can bring anywhere as the device is small and easy to bring. Now it's time to unshield the transparent cover. Yes, now we got it. Now we'll proceed to unseal the pack. We have the sticker, yes, and now we'll open this. Yes, fine. The items available in the box: charging case, receiver, transmitter. They have given two transmitters, carrying pouch, hot shoe adapter, and there are two windscreens available, and there are two adapters also. And more than that, there are two magnetic clips, instruction manuals, and charging cable. Let's see what we have inside this small box. Yes, we have the carrying pouch and nice leather quality. In this carrying pouch, we got two compartments. In one compartment, they kept the instruction manuals. You can read later. And this is just an unboxing video. I'll be publishing another video on demonstrating how we can use these wireless mics with different devices later. And another compartment, we got a camera audio cable, 3.5 mm, and we have more. Yes, we have the windscreens. There are two windscreens and the charging cables, and the windscreen looks so comfy. And here we have the charging cable to charge the charging case, and nothing we have in the carrying pouch. Now it's time to take the big boy, and here we have nice build quality, and you can see usually the products of DJI comes with a great build quality, very reasonable weight, and the charging indicator, and the top they have embroidered the brand name. And here, let's open. Yes, here we have main thing, the receiver. Another one, we have the hot shoe adapter. You can use this to fix the receiver with your cameras and other devices. Yes, fine. And here we have the adapters. There are two adapters, and this is for Type-C compatible devices such as Android and other smartphone. And another one we have here, that is for iPhone. Yes, this is Lightning. And now let's fix the windscreen with a transmitter. And yes, It's nice look even and looks professional. The everything looks very professional. And here we have the transmitter. On the back side we have the magnetic tips. Then you can fix with your shirt or any other item. Yes, here we have the headphone in and out and power, and here we have the charging port. Yes, fine. Yes, here we got the brand new look of the DJI wireless microphone, 2 channels, and here we got a charging cable and USB to type C charging cable, and nicely you can fix this and you can get charged. This is just an unboxing video. I'll be doing a demonstration video how we can use this mic and how we can set up this receiver and transmitter later. That's all of this video.
Hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you love this video, hit the thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel, click the subscribe button and don't forget to click the green bell. Then you will be notified of my brand new videos. Thank you very much guys. We'll meet in the next video. Goodbye for now.